Order bumps are complementary products or services offered during the checkout process that customers can add to their purchase with a single click. Think of an order bump as a strategic add-on that enhances the customer's main purchase. It appears as a simple checkbox during checkout, making it frictionless for customers to accept. StanStore offers native order bump integration with three key advantages: mobile-first optimization, real-time analytics, and seamless setup without third-party plugins. Setting up an order bump in StanStore involves three key steps: selecting the right product, configuring the settings, and optimizing the presentation. Choose products that complement your main offering and price them between 10 to 30% of the main product's value. This creates an attractive, low-risk addition for customers. Use compelling, benefit-focused copy that clearly explains the value. Design visually appealing bump boxes that stand out without being pushy, and always test different positions and messaging for optimal results. Now that you understand the fundamentals of order bumps in StanStore, you're ready to learn advanced optimization techniques to maximize their impact. Optimizing order bumps requires a strategic approach focusing on three core fundamentals: relevance, value proposition, and strategic positioning. Current market trends show that smaller, lower-priced bumps significantly outperform high-ticket additions. The optimal price point is typically 25 to 30% of the main product price. A/B testing is crucial for optimization. Test different copy variations, price presentations, and visual designs. Here's a real example showing how proper testing can dramatically improve results. Strategic positioning in the checkout flow is critical. Studies show that placement in the middle of the checkout process achieves 31% conversion rates compared to 18% at the top. Here's what an optimized order bump looks like in practice. Notice the clear value proposition, strategic positioning, and compelling visual design that makes it easy for customers to say yes. Performance monitoring is essential for ongoing optimization. Track your acceptance rate and revenue increase weekly. The average order bump acceptance rate ranges from 15 to 35% across industries. Finally, avoid these common pitfalls that can kill your order bump performance. Overpricing relative to the main product and offering irrelevant products are the biggest mistakes that reduce conversion rates. By following these optimization strategies, ensuring relevance, testing systematically, monitoring performance, and avoiding common mistakes, you can maximize your order bump impact and significantly increase your revenue per customer.